You have many choices when looking for a free screen recorder, whether you need one for personal use, for your business, or for creating content for YouTube, Twitch, or other video streaming services. There's a free program for you. Coming up, I'll count down the top 5 best free screen recording software to capture high-quality video of what is happening on your computer. Let's get started. Starting off our countdown, coming in at number 5 is ShareX. This free and open source program for Windows only is one of the best for taking screenshots and includes a screen recorder built in with no watermarks or time limits. If you have an older computer or low system memory, this one might be perfect for you because it's light on system resources. Another positive is that if you want to share your videos with others, they can be uploaded directly to dozens of services, including YouTube. A downside is that full screen recordings for video games are not supported at this time. ShareX does not have a button to start or stop a recording. You could use the keyboard shortcut listed, Shift plus print screen, to start or stop a recording. Or you could go to Capture here in the left pane and select Screen Recording here in the list. Also, some users report that they can't hear any audio in the recordings. To activate your microphone in the left pane, click on Task Settings here on the left, select Screen Recorder, click on Screen Recording Options. Then, for the audio source, go to the drop-down menu and select the microphone or microphone app that you're using. In at number 4 from BlackBerry Software is Flashback Express. Also for Windows only, this is one I recommend for people just starting out learning how to use screen recording software. Not only is it simple to use, but getting it set up is easy. There are no watermarks or time limits. It lets you change the frames per second, record any part of your screen, and allows your recordings to be uploaded directly to YouTube. A downside of Flashback Express is exports of your recordings are limited to 720p. To record up to 4K and get additional features, upgrading to Flashback Pro is a one-time cost of just $49. On a side note, BlackBerry Software has another screen recorder designed for gamers called FBX. Its free version is feature-packed but does slap their branded watermark on your videos. If it weren't for the watermark, FBX would be in our top 5. To remove the watermark on FBX, they do have a Pro plan that is just $19 per year. If you're a serious gamer, this cost might be worth it to upgrade, especially if you plan to stream games to Twitch or some other servers. In the number 3 spot, we'll cover 2 free programs built into graphics card software. The first of which is NVIDIA Shadowplay as part of the GeForce experience. This is for people that own a PC with a GeForce GTX or RTX class graphics card. It lets you record almost anything on your screen, including games, up to a resolution of 8K. Plus, it lets you broadcast live to various services, including YouTube and Twitch. Shadowplay is only available for Windows 10 and Windows 11. When using it, it's recommended that your computer has at least 2 GB of system memory to avoid lagging and stuttering issues. Also coming in at number 3 is AMD Radeon Relive. If your PC has an AMD Radeon graphics card, the Relive software may already be installed. The features are very similar to Shadowplay for recording and broadcasting live. Before we get to our top 2, here are a few bonus picks that, for some of you, might be worth your time to check out. Available for both Windows and Mac, TinyTake is an easy-to-use screen recorder and capture program that lets you save your recordings to your computer and offers 2 GB of cloud storage to save your work. While the free plan for TinyTake does not have any watermarks, the reason for it not being in our top 5 is the recording limit is 5 minutes per video, with many of the premium features locked unless you upgrade. Debut Video Capture for Windows and Mac is another one worth checking out if you're looking for tons of features for free. Some of those include being able to record any part of your screen, mouse highlighting, and a handy green screen tool to replace the background. Be careful when downloading Debut Video Capture. It offers both a free and paid version. To download the free version, click the link below. Get it free. Do note that the free version is for non-commercial use only, which is fine for those of you that don't plan to monetize your content. To use it commercially, you'll have to purchase one of their paid editions. The last of our bonus picks is Ice Cream Free Screen Recorder for Windows. It's what we first used when creating videos for YouTube. To use it, they'll require that you enter your email address before downloading. It includes many useful features. You have the ability to highlight your mouse for presentations and can upload directly to YouTube. Also built in is a video and audio editor to remove parts of your recording that you don't want. While Ice Cream Free Screen Recorder does not have any time limits or watermarks, the export limit is up to 720p. They do offer a pro version with additional features, including a higher export limit, but it's pricey at $227 per year, so quite honestly, it's not worth the upgrade. Back to the countdown. In the runner-up spot, ScreenRec comes in at number 2. With cross-platform support, this program is packed full of useful tools and is light on system resources, making it a solid choice. At this time, it's 100% completely free with no time limits or watermarks. You can save automatically to an encrypted cloud account to easily share with others, but the free storage limit is only 2 GB. You can also save those recordings to your computer in the MP4 file format. ScreenRec originally was only available for Windows. It's now available for Linux, and the latest update for macOS works with the M-series ARM-based chips. In the top spot, coming in at number 1, OBS Studio is the absolute best screen recorder that you can use for free. Not only is it free, it's open source and available for all 3 of the major platforms: Windows, Mac, and Linux. There are no ads, watermarks, or time limits. It includes a ton of features, including multi-view, which lets you manage 8 different scenes at a time, has a customizable layout, and has plugin support to enhance the functionality. OBS Studio does have a steep learning curve. One downside is that it is resource intensive, so to run it without any lag or stuttering, you should have at least 4 GB of RAM with at least a dual-core processor. If your computer can handle it, there's no better screen recorder for the low price of free than OBS Studio. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you use a free screen recorder not mentioned, let us know about it in the comments and we'll try it out. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the bell to stay up to date with our newest stuff. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.